Good morning, everybody. The sun hasn't quite come up yet. I gotta put my shade cloth up. Look at these grapes here. These grapes are doing fantastic. Just fantastic. So I want to make sure that I get this shaded so they're not gonna burn in any way. I mean, take my glasses off. This is my first year that I've got grapes up here, so I'm kind of babying them. Now let's go in and take a look. See how it is. Don't mind the fan. Oh yeah, it's still warm in here, but it's a lot. You can see the difference between where the sun's coming in. But the sun's over here. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, so even by noon, it's not going to bother. Just that back wall will be warm. That's all right. All my grapes will be protected. They'll be warm. So I got to put some ties up here. All right. Not a bad job. Doesn't look too shabby. There you go. Happy with it. I might straighten up those bottoms so they don't look so stupid. All right. You guys have a good day. Stay cool.